What's up, guys? We're here with the Cummins again. It's been a long time since we messed with it, and since we moved houses, this is the old house we're at, if you can't tell. The truck is still here. Me and Scott, my brother, tried to move it not too long ago, and we got about 2 miles down the road and it quit. The fuel filter clogged up and we were dead in the water. So we towed it back over here and came back to get a trailer. Unfortunately, I wasn't recording the first time. It was a whole ordeal. It took about 3 hours to get it started. It was wild. But we're here now. We got a new fuel filter. I have an external tank I'm running it off of, so we're not pulling fuel out of that nasty fuel tank. But I'll show you the problem I'm running into now. So even with the jump pack, we're not able to start the truck. So Scott is bringing his truck around to save the day and jump start us. So stay tuned. This could be interesting. As y'all can see, we got the truck loaded on the back, and I don't know if the camera picked it up. It might have. If it did, obviously you would have seen it. Going up the ramps was a little bit sketchy. Once we got to the top, I had to put it to the floor because the transmission didn't want to catch. So I wanted to make sure we got it up on the trailer, and we did. We got it all strapped down. Now we're headed to the house, and with the help of Scott here, we're gonna drop the tank and see what kind of crud is in there. So we got the truck all the way here. Well, we got it on the trailer and we got it here. We're going to get it off the trailer and realize we forgot the keys at the other house in Taylor. So instead of driving back yesterday, I drove back this morning and grabbed the keys. So now we'll unload the truck, get it off this trailer so that we can work on it here later on. I don't think we're going to get to it today. It might be next week. So it may be in this video that you see it. I may put all this together, or I may split it up for the series. So anyways, let's get this truck off the trailer.